You can literally use this to leave your job. I'm going to show you just how simple it is. All you need is just one horizontal line. I absolutely love this method because it is the easiest thing that you could possibly ever use. And this is a 5-second trade, but we're generally going to use 5 seconds and 1 minute. So I'm going to take this up for 1 minute. It's the 1 minute flag timer. We're going to change this 30 seconds into ran across a video last night with Ezekiel Chu. I absolutely love this guy. The support and resistance hack that turned his $1,000 into $100,000. I went through his entire Forex course. What he went over is going to help you to better understand this strategy. So we're going to be going over that inside of Disc. We're only going to take a couple of trades. My goal, we started at 359,000. My goal is to get to like 370 and then to just call it quits. So we did break through this support, but if it goes back up, I will take it down. We're going to take it down right now for about 15 seconds, and we're going to see what we have. We've got 10 seconds left. Hopefully we can get all of these. It's looking really good. The CCI is kind of down. The Williams is down 2-1, and we got all those, and we're already at 372. So why did I do that? Well, you can see that we have a very strong support right here. We broke through that support, and then the support became the resistance. So that means that when the candles come back up to this area, they're going to reject. That's just kind of the way that it works. So that is the one reason that I took it. My other confirmations were that the Williams was broken down below the bottom line and was pointed down, and the CCI had broken down and had not gone back up into the channel. So just those things alone, in addition to the fact that we were below this SMA, this white line, that was everything that I needed to know. Plus, we had a very strong pull down. So if you want to learn more about how to do this very simple 1 minute strategy and how to use it to leave your 9 to 5, all you need to do is use the link at the top of the screen. Join my Discord. You can get access to all 6 of my courses for free. Drop me a comment after you subscribe and let me know what strategy you are currently using and if you've used my strategy, this one right here, and tell me how it's working. But I'll see you guys on the next video.